On the occasion of International Nurses Day, we, Pravara family, salute all COVID martyrs in the world.
On the eve of our founder and pioneer of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale's birthday, Happy Nurses Day to all my professional colleagues. My small message related to this year theme is the future we have to be prepared to face the challenges more than COVID pandemic. The nursing field has many challenges like long hours duty and staffing shortage to emotionally exhausting and often dangerous work environment. As a result, nurse leader and hospital administration must strive to find ways to boost morale among nursing staffs and not only in the time of pandemics. Secondly, for dedication of work, stability of nursing staff is needed. To avoid floating and migrating population for retention of staffs, we have to think to minimize the turnover and attrition rate. I think universal salary pattern may be one of the solution. I am sure we all are preparing good quality nursing manpower for futuristic nursing. Third, to improve our professional status and patient satisfaction, our vision should be very broad. Required awareness creating among public regarding what we are expecting from our clientele and their attendant. Fourth, have to improve research for nursing welfare and for their job satisfaction. So the collection of data is very important. Again, best wishes to all our nursing personnel to be very strong, knowledgeable, brave, and become a great and determined asset for profession and healthcare system. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day to all my fellow nurses around the world. Nurses Day is a day to remember our nursing leaders who have led the profession to where it is today. For me, it's a day to rededicate myself to the passion of compassionate care and commitment to health for all. Let us pledge today to lead nurses to a bright future and satisfying professional journey. Let us together lend our voice to ensure that this noble profession, nursing, achieves the right status it deserves. I am proud to be a nurse. Happy Nurses Day.
The whole world is now facing the battle against the severe and dangerous pandemic COVID 19, which is not only physically harming but also mentally disturbing because of the unceasingly escalating number of affected patients and deaths globally. Knowing that you will be making a difference, however big and small. Many whom we give care might forget a name, but they will never forget how we made them feel. At present, when I am working in MVP's Institute of Nursing Education, I am assigned with roles and responsibilities in microbiology labs and COVID care centers. This boosts me up and reminds me that I am expected to be the frontline care manager in any healthcare setting. Last but not the least, let me remind you, when you are a nurse, you know that every day you touch somebody's heart. To all the Nightingales there, a very happy International Nurses Day.
I think these 30 seconds or 60 seconds are the best seconds which I'll be spending now in this pandemic starting from March 2020 to May 2021. This pandemic has taught us a lot and is teaching us a lot. Here, humanity, which should win and will win in the coming future. My video is a tribute to all the nursing staff which have been working with me day and night from March 20 to May 2021. No one of our nursing staff are less than any warrior who is or any soldier who is fighting in the battlefield. They have pulled out very difficult cases. They have pulled out almost the cases which everyone would have lost hopes elsewhere, and they have made life easy for those who had COVID. Almost 1800 patients have been treated in this hospital since May 20, and let me tell you, this COVID center has given free services to the rural, common, poor person who comes from the rural villages across Loni and Pravara area. This video would give a real tribute, and I salute all the nursing staff and nursing members who have worked day and night with us and will keep working, and one day will come when we'll proudly say we have defeated COVID. Thank you.
जसं की आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की ह्या पॅन्डेमिकमध्ये कोरोनाने आपल्याला एकदम सगळ्यांनाच एकदम विठीस धरलेलं आहे आणि ह्या असल्या कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये आपले जे नर्सिंग स्टाफ आहे, नर्सेस ऑल डिपार्टमेंट, त्यांची भूमिका फार महत्त्वाची आहे. ह्या पॅन्डेमिकमध्ये नर्सेसनी जे काही काम करताय ते काम कुणीच करू शकलं नसतं. नर्सेसनी जी केअर घेतली पेशंटची, त्याच्यामुळे पेशंट लवकर रिकवर होत आहेत आणि पेशंटला ट्रीटमेंटमध्ये फायदा होतोय. तर मी या सगळ्या गोष्टीबद्दल नर्सेसचं मी पुन्हा एकदा खूप अभिनंदन करतो की त्यांनी एवढ्या क्रायसिसमध्ये सेवा देत आहेत. ते आपल्या स्वतःच्या जीवाची पर्वा न करताही आपल्याला ते सेवा देत आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये बरेचसे आपले नर्सेस बांधव जे आहेत, भगिनी आहेत, ह्या पण त्याच्यामध्ये अफेक्ट झालेले आहेत. तर मी सगळ्या नर्सेसला आणि सगळ्या टीमला पुन्हा एकदा शुभेच्छा देतो की त्यांच्यामुळे ह्या पॅन्डेमिकमध्ये आपल्याला खूप मदत झालेली आहे आणि सर्वांना परत एकदा नर्सिंग डेच्या शुभेच्छा.
Our nation nurses have shown us time and again what true dedication, expertise, compassion, hard work really mean during this COVID pandemic. I have seen young nursing students are contributing incredible services, especially over the past year is heroic. They have been indispensable partner during unprecedented times. I would like to extend honor to our healthcare warriors for they do to keep our communities healthy and safe today and every day. Happy International Nurses Day. Stay strong, stay healthy.
Everyone, in this devastating pandemic, it is very tough time for all of us. Still, I request everyone to hold your nerve and this bad time will resolve soon. Here, I would like to wish all the nurses who are working 24/7 for the recovery of the patients a very happy International Nurses Day.
जागतिक नर्सेस दिनाच्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. दरवर्षीप्रमाणे आपण नर्सेस दिन हा साजरा करतो, परंतु यावर्षी कोरोना पॅन्डेमिकमुळे हा काही आगळावेगळा नर्सेस दिवस असून प्रवरा हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आपण बघत आहे की बऱ्याच प्रमाणामध्ये पेशंट चांगले झालेले आहेत. याचं वर्णन नर्सेसवरती खूप पॅन्डेमिकच्या काळामध्ये आपण सर्वजण बघतच आहोत की सर्वजण वर्क फ्रॉम होम करत आहेत, परंतु फ्रंटलाईन वर्कर डॉक्टर नर्सेस हे वर्क फॉर होम करत आहेत. तसेच या सर्वांना सन्मानाची ट्रीटमेंट देऊन त्यांचा गौरव करून त्यांना उत्तेजन द्यावं, जेणेकरून की त्यांना या सर्वांमुळे कामासाठी अजून हुरूप येईल आणि ते अजून हरिरीने काम करतील.
Hello friends, I wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. As the theme of this year is rightly placed, nurses, a voice to lead and a vision for future healthcare. As we've gone through these 2 years of pandemic, last year was the year of nurses and midwives, which was declared by the WHO. Same has come this year, but we have not lost our spirit. And I wish that you all stay safe and lead the healthcare industry with your passion, compassion, and the knowledge and skills that you have achieved throughout. The world needs nurses and midwives more than ever. And as the theme says, we really need to press our voices once this pandemic is over. And we need to plan our nursing profession to move forward with the leadership roles and the specializations that are very much due for us. The specialization is required since we have seen in this pandemic tackling the COVID cases. It was not easy for the nurses who are not mainstreamed or who has not been educated into handling the critical gadgets. Though we have learned, we have done our best to help everyone who required our care and our attention. I think that we should be prepared to manage any such pandemics or any such disasters that are not thought of and that are unexpectedly coming to us. I wish you all take care, stay safe, and wish you all a happy Nurses Day again. Thank you.
Namaste. Last year was a hectic year for most of us, and the year gave new challenges each day. Donning and doffing was the initial challenge most of the staffs faced, and I was almost attending to 15 to 20 calls per day, teaching them again and again of how to do it the best way. Later, identification of cases who came with just cough and cold and fever, and most of them had to be referred and finally ended up as COVID. Then later, the severe COVID cases who are unable to go to the hospitals had to be cared in the community around, and there are stages that I had to be resuscitating most of them in spite of having all challenges of not having those equipments and facilities around. But then yes, it was a satisfying year. At least we could contain COVID as much as we could around, at least in our own area. We are doing our best. Let's do our best. Happy Nurses Day.
The nurses who have always been our national heroes on the auspicious occasion, that is the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the pioneer of nursing profession. As everyone is aware about the crisis the whole world is facing through the whole last year, which is beyond imagination. We charge on the ready to fight another day. Thank you for putting yourself in the way of dangerous to save others. To save our nation, you are our national heroes. So thank you for everything. Stay safe while you are protecting the other in these unpredictable times. The world is keeping you all in our thoughts and the prayers. I wish you happy International Day. Happy International
COVID pandemic crisis. The only divine messengers who are putting their efforts at the ground level to serve the community are the healthcare workers and frontline workers, what we are calling are the COVID warriors. Beginning of the first lockdown last year, it was the dedicated COVID hospital of this Pravara Medical Trust which has started the admission of 100 patients, and in those days where the near and dear relatives also hesitating to approach the COVID positive patients, it was the medical staff, the nursing care staff which were taking care of these COVID positive patients. In those days where the duty and the 7-day quarantine period after the duties kept them away from their families for days together, weeks together. But the picture got changed after the vaccination, and still they had come back with another force of energy to serve these COVID patients. I really appreciate and salutes to the healthcare workers, the doctors, the nursing staff who are dedicatedly working for the COVID patients, and to respect their duties towards humanity. I urge all of you to be one to break the chain so that their burden of the hospitalization will be lessened and we can stop or prevent the infection at the community level itself by avoiding the super spreader and avoiding the further spread of this infection at our level.
Best wishes for International Nurses Day 2021. In March 2020, when the first lockdown was announced, we were busy with the online teaching for our nursing students. And now presently, we nursing faculty, students are contributing as a frontline workers for the COVID-19 pandemic situation. And I will proudly say that NAMCO Hospital and NAMCO College of Nursing and Research Institute has started with the COVID vaccination program, and in that we from the NAMCO has contributed as a highest number of giving vaccination in the Nasik district. And presently we had started with the RMD NAMCO RMD COVID Care Center, and in that my students, faculty, everyone is contributing from the portal till the COVID patient care. And on this day, I will just say that this COVID-19 pandemic should come to the end very soon, as we are working as a frontline warriors. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day to all the amazing nurses out there. I would like to honor and thank each and every nurses who is working in this private and public sector for their amazing dedication and hard work in this pandemic time. I think being a nurse working in Canada, apart from a different country, it was most the hardest time ever in my life and work experience. Like everyone's life got changed, their routine, their habit, their job, their day-to-day work experience, everything changed. Working in a health sector was more difficult too. But as a team in the healthcare providers, it was amazing and was able to fight against most of the difficult situation. And I guess nurses played the amazing role in fighting many hard situations to cope up with the pandemic. Once again, I thank you all for your amazing job and hard work and dedication towards our healthcare system and helping and serving our society and try to keep the health of the society at the most top level. Thank you again and Happy Nurses Day.
My best wishes on the occasion of Nurses Day. Words cannot express the gratitude that I have for all of you nurses during this difficult time. I have a family in the healthcare work, so I can see firsthand how it is affecting families. Yet I can also see how strong you guys are. Keep working hard. You are saving lives every day. Never give up. I believe in you. Thank you for all of you have done every day during this pandemic, coronavirus crisis. Hope you and your family safe and healthy. Thank you very much.
बघत आहोत की अतिशय भयावह अशा पॅन्डेमिक डिझीजने आपल्याला ग्रासून ठेवलेली आहे. माझा स्वतःचा एक्सपिरियन्स सांगायचा झाला तर माझ्या घरचे लोकसुद्धा या आजाराला ग्रासले होते. काही काळापूर्वीच ते सुखरूपपणे या आजारातून पार पडले आहेत. तर मी याच्यामध्ये माझे स्वतःचं मनोधैर्य वाढवायला शिकली आहे आणि त्याबरोबरच बाकीच्या इतर लोकांचं सुद्धा मनोधैर्य वाढवायला शिकली आहे. मला माझे एक्सपिरियन्स सांगण्याची संधी दिली त्याबद्दल मी धन्यवाद मानू इच्छिते आणि कृपया करून गव्हर्नमेंटने जे गाईडलाईन्स दिलेले आहे त्याचे
Wishing you a very happy Nurses Week, which is celebrated to commemorate founder of modern nursing, Miss Florence Nightingale. This year theme of International Nurses Week is Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. In the year 2021, we seek to show how nursing will look into the future as well as how the profession will transform the next stage of healthcare. In this pandemic, whole world has experienced the care given by the nurses, putting their lives at risk. I take this opportunity to appreciate all the nurses and student nurses for their untiring efforts to battle the pandemic.
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is second time we are celebrating Nurses Day virtually due to COVID-19 pandemic. ICN has rightly framed International Nurses Day theme as Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. It is based on identified facts through series of studies. Identified facts are nurses being frontline warrior, most vulnerable to get infected. There will be 13 million nurses shortage by 2030. Nurses experience mass traumatization, stress and burnout, physical, physiological and psychological imbalances. While caring for COVID-19 patients, millions of nurses got infected with COVID-19. Thousands of nurses died globally. Amongst them, maximum were very young. Some of them, they were antenatal, few postnatal and lactating mothers. Only daughter or only son of aged parents and so on scenario was. It is very painful, heartbreaking, terrible, irreparable loss. Their compassionate and sacrifice will be remembered throughout existence of human race. Their selfless services and sacrifices will serve as a footprint for today and tomorrow, as a vision for future healthcare. We salute and pay tribute to COVID nurses, COVID warrior nurses, doctors, and all other affected warriors. Om Shanti. Amen.
I wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. All the nurses are my superheroes. The work you are doing is priceless work. I wholeheartedly thank you all for your great contribution in healthcare system and the sacrifices you are giving to perform your duties in this pandemic. I really salute you all for your work, and I again wish you all a very, very happy Nurses Day.